Hey, Python pioneers! It's AI and DS with AI, and today we're delving into the remaining Pandas operations with real examples. Let's explore. Next one is describe. The describe method provides descriptive statistics for numerical columns in the data frame. For it, you just have to type printdf.describe. And here you get the description of your dataset. Next is shape. The shape attribute returns the dimensions of the data frame as a tuple in the form of rows and columns. Next operation is append. The append method adds rows from another data frame or series to the end of the current data frame. For example, create another data frame to append. Let's say df2 equal to pd.dataframe. In A, put 6 and 7, and in B, put Priya and Geeta. Now, append the second data frame to the first one, df equal to df.append df2. Ignore arg index. True print df, and here df2 get append after df. Notes, do follow my Instagram account. Subscribe for more coding adventures, and let me know what Python topics you're eager to explore next. Stay curious, stay coding.